Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Zuru Fatina Nafisa. I am from Muhammadiyah Profesor Dr. Hamka University. I am here to complete final project of teaching primary mathematics. I will to discuss about transformation geometry. Geometry transformation. In geometry, a transformation is a way to change the position of a figure. In some transformation, the figure retains its size and only its position is changed. Example of this type of transformation are translation and reflection. In other transformation, such as dilation, the size of the figure will change. Okay, the first we will discuss is translation. What is translation? Translation is one type of transformation that is useful for moving a point along a straight line with direction and distance, which means that the translation will only undergo a moving point. From the picture above, we can know that the translation can only change position. The size will remain the same. Okay, from the picture, we can know the translation can only change position, not the size. Not size, size not be changed. And this formula of translation, namely x-axis but y-axis equals a but b plus x but y-axis. Description of formula translation is x-axis but y-axis is shadow point. A but b is translation vector. X but y is point of origin. Okay, the next we will discuss is reflection. What is reflection? Reflection, it is the same with the shadow of object formed in a mirror. An object that has a reflection will have a shadow of an object produced by a mirror. The result of reflection on the field of Cartesian dependent axis that become its mirror. The reflection will move the entire point using the properties of mirroring on a flat mirror. Try to look at the lines and also some red dots of the image above. The lines and the red dots move just as they are in a flat mirror. Okay, this is general reflection formulas. Mirroring against minus x-axis equals x but y or x but minus y. Mirroring against minus y axis equals x but y or minus x but y. Mirroring against x line equals x but y or x or y but x. Mirroring against y line equals x but y or minus y but minus x. Mirroring against x line equals h x but y or 2h minus x but y. Mirroring against y line equals k x but y or x 2k minus y. The last we will discuss is dilation. What is dilation? Dilation is also known as magnification or reduction of an object. When the transformation of the translation reflection only change the position of the object, then another with dilation that performs the transformation of geometry by changing the size of object. The size of object can be viewed by dilation becomes large or smaller. This change relies on the scale that is a factor of its location. Dilation can be understood as a form or enlargement or reduction of the dots that form a wake. Dilation of a point A but B at the center O 0 but 0 with a scale factor m. Dilation point A action A but B against center P K but L with scale factor m. Thank you.